Welcome to Who's Crafts&Arcade. We're going to show you how to make easy fudge.
Okay, so today we're going to make fudge. Now, Henry asked if I would put a little peanut butter on it. I've never done peanut butter on it, but that's okay. That's an extra. But I'm going to show you first, I'm going to show you the actual recipe. So this is a 16-ounce milk chocolate icing. And these are milk chocolate chips. That's all you need for fudge. You need 16 ounces of this and 16 ounces of this, okay? So I'm going to open this up. And since they used to have bags that were 16 ounces or even really close, but they don't, excuse me, they don't anymore. There it is. So now you have to measure it out. Make sure you get to the 16 ounces. Usually end up having a little bit left. Let's see if I get... Okay, we're real close.
You can also buy this at Walmart and
Okay, so there's the 16 mark, so I kind of let it be a little bit there. So I got about that much left in the bag, so I'm just going to roll that up. We don't need that. Okay. And I'm going to put it in here. Okay. And then I'm going to put and you can do this fudge for any event. You can add whatever you want to add. Like I said, today we're going to add the peanut butter. But you can put nuts in it, however you like fudge. And you're like, fudge? And trust me, it really tastes like fudge. And literally, all I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in here. And we're going to melt it. Okay. Need to get all of that off because we need to have 16 ounces. Make sure I think I've about got all that in there. Okay. It's close enough. Okay. Just trying to get it out. We'll just set that there. Alright. And now we're going to heat it up. Okay, so we are melting it, and literally this is all you have to do is melt it. And then we'll put it in our pan, and then I think put it in the refrigerator for a little bit. Doesn't even have to be in there for very long, and let it get hard, and then you have fudge, and you'll see. So we're just going to continue to melt it until it's all good and melted together. Okay, we're getting real close to done here. You can see how it kind of sticks together. That's what the fudge does, and I think we're pretty much, let me make sure here, but I think we're done. And literally, that is just the chocolate chips and the icing together, and it makes fudge. Okay, here we go. Alright, we're just gonna put it in this pan. Okay, I need to get this spatula here, get the rest of it out. And then, actually, what I'm going to do, because we're going to put the peanut butter on it, I think I'm going to go ahead and flatten it in the pan, and I think I'm going to put the peanut butter in it before it cools. So hopefully it'll kind of melt with it. So let me get this in the pan here. All right. Get it.
If you're allergic to nuts, please do not do this.
If you're what?
If
I
you're
didn't
allergic
hear
to
you.
nuts.
Oh, allergic to nuts? Well, doesn't have nuts in it. Oh, well, peanuts. Yeah, if you're allergic to peanuts.
Anything. Nuts.
Yeah.
Please don't try this. Just a disclaimer.
Well, they can always do it without nuts.
Yeah, I know. But I was just trying to
I
get
know.
in there.
I know. We don't want to have anybody have any problems, that's for sure. If I can get this open. Well, I wanted to do it while it was still warm. Okay. All right. See if I can get some of this on here before it gets too all right. Now, let's see if we can get this to spread. Well, I've never put peanut butter on it before, so this is a new thing for me. This will be interesting. Kind of smells good. Okay. I think we're gonna leave it like that because it kind of went into the fudge a bit.
That's okay.
And that looks actually pretty interesting. All right, so we're gonna let it cool, and then we'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Okay, it looks like it's hardened up here. So I'm gonna give her a little bit of cut. Let's see, I wanna go a little bit higher up here. Of course, the peanut butter is gonna still be soft. Yep, peanut butter's still soft. That's okay. It's not supposed. I don't think peanut butter's gonna harden. Okay. Let's do a little bit of. All right. Now, if you just do fudge, it's gonna look more like that. Okay. If you do fudge and peanut butter, well, it's more just fudge. All right, let's see if it looks, it's going to look something like that. Because like I said, the peanut butter is not really hardening up. That's okay. So, there we go. See if we can get this little chunk out right here. There we go. Alrighty. And there we have our peanut butter fudge. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave comments below.